What's the meaning of brassed off? Brassed off. Brassed off.
Brassed off. Brassed off. Brassed off is a common English expression that means feeling frustrated, angry, or annoyed about something. The term originated in the UK and has its roots in the mining industry, where brass was used as a slang term for money. Consequently, the expression brassed off came to mean fed up with not having enough money. If someone says they are brassed off, it means they have had enough of something and are at their wits' end. The result of being brassed off can vary depending on the context. Someone who is brassed off may become irritable or short-tempered and may struggle to remain calm or composed. They may also experience feelings of resentment or bitterness towards the situation that has caused them to feel this way. In some cases, being brassed off can motivate individuals to take action and achieve their goals.